checking out the newly opened Mitsui Outlet Park Okazaki. It just opened recently, last November 4th, 2025, here in Aichi Prefecture. And we thought, why not take a quick trip and see what it's like. Getting here was easy too. There's plenty of parking, and it's pretty convenient if you're coming from around Aichi area. Definitely an easy weekend spot. First impressions. The place looks really clean and modern. It's open air, super spacious, and perfect for just walking around and browsing without feeling crowded. In addition to benches throughout the shopping center, Mitsui Outlet Park Okazaki offers several distinct areas to relax, such as outdoor sofas, the indoor Okazaki Market, and several cafes with terrace seating. Wow! A kids park on the first floor at the center of the outlet zone, which is a free access area, has a variety of playground equipment. There is also a paid, supervised playground for children, the Kids Garden. As we walked through, we spotted some familiar names: New Balance, Merrell, Adidas, Michael Kors, Lacoste, Levi's, and Gap, just to name a few. There's a nice mix of shops here, from fashion and sportwear to lifestyle stores, ranging from international brands to local Japanese favorites. We did notice there's no separate Nike stores yet, but ABC Mart has a pretty good selection of Nike stuff inside. And we couldn't find a Coach store either. Maybe it'll open soon since it's still pretty new. course, we had to check out the food. The food court has a good variety of local Japanese meals, noodles, and even some international options. We tried Korea's bibimbap and Pyongyang noodles. And the famous Japanese takoyaki. And honestly, everything was really tasty. Definitely worth stopping by if you need a break from shopping. In addition to the main playground, the Okazaki Market area has a water feature and fountain area for kids to enjoy, and a wide park where you can walk your pets or just chill out. This was really cool. We also found an exhibition featuring the new Toyota GR and Yaris models. If you're into cars, this is definitely worth checking out. They had some sporty displays and concept vehicles on show. Super sleek, and it adds a fun touch to the whole experience. You don't usually expect to see something like that during an outlet visit. The whole vibe is super chill, bright, family friendly, and lots of space to sit and relax. Even though it's new, everything feels really organized and smooth. You can totally spend a few hours here without rushing. So yeah, that was our quick visit to Mitsui Outlet Park Okazaki. It's still early days, but there's already a lot to enjoy. And I'm sure more shops will open soon. We'll probably come back soon, once it's fully up and running. Thanks for joining us on this quick tour. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more travel and lifestyle content from Japan.